Hello everyone, my name is Samir Sepúlveda and I'm the Head of Engineering for APAC in BayWa r.e. As engineering unit, we are responsible for the technical definition of all our renewable projects in the region. We are supporting wind and solar projects and also new technologies like hydrogen, storage and agri-PV. Engineering support is required in all the project life cycle, so we are being involved in the earlier stages. We support from the project development to the construction and also the operation and maintenance. In short, we take an idea for that project and we make it a reality. Working in this position is quite exciting but also challenging. We are facing a growing portfolio of projects that require an adequate engineering support. For that reason, we are always looking for new talents to join the engineering team. If you are looking for new challenges, please visit our website and LinkedIn for opening positions.